Friends, as we all know, the number of Indians, those who go abroad for foreign employment, is on the rise on a daily basis, and various problems faced by the Indian immigrants are also on the rise. One of the major reasons for various disputes as part of foreign employment is due to lack of work contract. Let us see, what is a work contract? Work contract is a legal document signed by the employee and the foreign employer, wherein the terms and conditions of the employment are mentioned. Even in India, if there is a dispute between the employer and the employee, the same shall be decided by the labor code by virtue of the employment contract. The same thing will happen in a foreign country also. If there is a dispute, then it will be decided by virtue of work contract. There are cases stating that the Indian immigrants were not getting the proper salary or the correct job what they were offered before they depart from India. How can we avoid such issues? First and foremost thing is, please don't sign a work contract without knowing the actual content of that work contract. There are instances that the foreign employers may send the work contract in their own language. For example, from Gulf countries, they will send the work contract in Arabic language. So please translate the work contract into English or Hindi and kindly understand the whole content of that work contract, and then only you should sign the work contract. Secondly, you should see the provisions for free accommodation and food, etc. Because in most of the foreign countries, the food and accommodation is very expensive. You should also see whether your salary is tax-free or who has to pay the tax. Each country is having their own currency. So once they offer a salary in their currency, kindly convert that foreign currency into Indian currency and verify is that job is worthy to take up. Indian immigration process says that a work contract should be signed by the foreign employer and the Indian immigrant, and the same shall be countersigned by the recruitment agency. Don't go to a foreign country without having a valid work contract duly signed and executed by the employer and the employee. Somebody is insisting you to go to a foreign country without having a valid work contract. It can be fraud and your life will be in danger. A model work contract should speak about the following things. Effective date of this agreement. Secondly, job title and place of employment. Then, duration of this agreement. Then, the description of the designation and job responsibilities. Then, the wages and other emoluments, allowances, etc. Period of probation and confirmation. Working days, hours of work and overtime. Then, the provision for food, accommodation, transportation from the workplace to the residence, travel allowance, annual leave, sick leave, insurance coverage, what are the provisions for medical treatment. If a death is happened in a foreign country, what are the provisions for repatriation of the mortal remains? What are the provisions for deduction of taxes? Is there any provision for shift work? And what are the provisions for resignation or termination of an employment? I hope and trust you realize the importance of a work contract in an immigration. I wish you a safe immigration and a happy stay in a foreign country. Thank you.